My sister bakes zucchini bread. You'll need the following ingredients: 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of packed brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger and 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons of vanilla, 1 cup of canola oil, 2 cups of grated zucchini, and 1 cup of chopped walnuts. Combine all your dry ingredients into a large bowl and mix well together. Next, in a large bowl or a stand mixer, combine your wet ingredients together. Add in the 2 types of sugars. Gradually pour in the flour. If your batter appears a bit dry, add 1/4 cup of warm water. Now it's time to add in the zucchini and the walnuts. Mix well. Lightly grease and flour 2 8x4 loaf pans. Evenly pour your batter into each of the pans. Smooth out the batter with an offset spatula or with the back of a spoon. This bread is ready for the oven. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. After baking, let the bread cool in its pans for 20 minutes and then remove it from the pans to cool an additional 15 minutes. Time to serve. This bread goes great with tea or coffee. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.